we are, me and Jazz again, trying to do what we can outside. We're going over the bridge from Bradenton Beach to Longboat. It's tricky through here. You gotta have these quick feet. Jazz is doing a good job. Look at that. I'd stumble. Jazz is out here in her new ponds. The beaches are closed, people. It's very sad. Boaters are still out here even though the public boat ramps are closed. Still a good amount of boats out here. Look at the water. Man. It's a shame we can't get in the water. But we're out here making the most of it. Heading over the top of the bridge, and we're starting fresh. We're going to be picking up some speed here. Hey, how you doing? Wow, such a nice day. I sure hope they open the beaches here soon again. Among other things. Confusing times for some of us, most of us. Well, Jasmine checked up. She said she's decided she's going too fast. There's still people out exercising, getting sun, so it's about one of the good things you can do for yourself. Animals are still out here, pelicans, look at that, nice. Anyway, some of you aren't able to get out and about. I'm sorry for you guys, that sucks. And we might be shut down here soon, I don't know, we'll see. But meanwhile, we're making the most of it. This is a beautiful place. Hopefully the people wisen up to what's going on. Gets in your head though, it's hard, I know. Just gotta keep going forward. Positive thoughts, don't let fear and frustration get the best of you. And it's easy to do, I know that. But Jazz has stopped here to ponder a thought. What do you have to say? It's pretty. It is pretty. Look, you can see way down in there. Nice. Well, hopefully you guys are out and about, or able to do something to exercise your minds too. So until next time, you guys. See ya.